folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is May 7th, 2020. So I have a couple clients that actually reached out to me on YouTube. You can probably check the descriptions down below and asked me, Dan, go over investment property guidelines. I have a couple clients right now, one in particular, and I think you might have been the one that reached out to me on this. We're doing five of their rental properties. When it's all said and done, they're going to save thousands. I mean, thousands and thousands. So let's get on to it. Yes, you can refinance an investment property during these times. Be very careful. A lot of lenders are pulling back on investment properties. If you're looking to cash out, meaning pull some cash out of the property, and the mortgage business right now is in turmoil. That's why yesterday's video that we went through, I was like, you got to be confident in the lender that you're using. Not only the person, but the company behind it. So we are very solvent, and we're doing business as usual. Loans are closing within 2 to 3 weeks. Rates, and I posted, I think it was yesterday, I still have the best rates in town or in the whole country basically right now. Every blue moon we get beat. God bless you if you find that place. Good for you. So let's get on to it. So investment properties, what I mean by rental properties. If you have a rental property and you're looking to refinance, the rates are awesome. Okay, there's two ways of going about this on how we look at it when we're underwriting your loan, which means we're reviewing your loan for approvals. There's two different criterias here, or two different, let's say, packages. One package is if you're buying the property, which is purchase, or what we call a rate and term. It's a rate and term refinancing, meaning exactly that. What are we doing? The only thing we're modifying on that loan is either the rate or the term, or maybe both of them. So let's say you've been in a property for 10 years, and you're like, Dan, I don't want to go back to a 30-year term. Let's look at refinancing you maybe you have 20 years left now. Let's keep the payment the same and put you on a 15-year term. In most of these cases, we're giving you the same payment and you're cutting off 5 years of that mortgage payment. So again, think of it, if you're paying $1,500 a month, 5 years, that's 60 payments. That is a ton of money you're gonna save. So that's what I mean by purchase or rate and term. That's what these parameters pertain to here. So if it's a single family, a 1-unit property, so say 1 unit, you can go up to 85% if you're buying it or doing a rate and term, and you need a 620 minimum credit score. All right? On anything 2 to 4 units, you can go to 75% of the house's value at a 620 credit score. What I mean by in this area, this is what we refer to as the loan to value. The loan to value is basically that. The loan, so let's say it's a $100,000 loan, to the value, it's $200,000 value, so you're at a 50% loan to value. That's basically how you put it. So if you're ever looking through some of the guidelines and you see 85% loan to value, you kind of know what it means now. So the next is a 2 to 4 unit. You can go 75% loan to value at a 620 credit score. But remember, it's a purchase or rate and term. All right. So if you're looking to pull out cash, you're like, Dan, I need to pay off some bills. I have some student loans I got to pay. You know what? My wife and I didn't work last month. We accumulated some credit card debt at 25% interest rates. We don't want to pay a 25% interest rate. So we want to pull out a little bit of money and pay off some bills and do some other things around the house. That is considered a cash out. You're pulling out cash. So you're taking your current balance plus some extra money, cashing it out. In that case, on a 1 unit, you can go up to 75% loan to value. And on a 2 to 4 unit property, you can go to 70% loan to value. A lot of this area right here, cashing out on rental properties, a lot of lenders are not doing them right now during the pandemic. So be very cautious if you're looking to do this. Here's what happens a lot of times is somebody will apply for a loan and they'll get denied. They'll say, you can't do cash out on that rental property. Well, that individual investor or lender probably can't do a cash out. They might be not offering it at that time. It doesn't mean you cannot do it. So this is the basic criteria if you're looking to do anything with investment properties or / rental properties. So my name is Dan Frio. I do the mortgage update every day. If you're in the Chicagoland area, tune in to WYLL Radio. I've been on there for 13 years now. I'm on every night, Monday through Friday at 7:30 to 8 p.m. In Chicagoland area. And you can also hear me on WIND. It's one of the largest talk radio stations in Chicago, Saturday mornings from 7 to 8 a.m. So I've been doing radio. I'm a radio personality, been on there for 13 years. I've been in the mortgage business for over 30 years. And if you'd like to reach out to me for my services, we basically cover the whole country. I can help you. I'd love to help you. At least reach out to you and say, okay, here's the options you have. There were several clients that called today that were looking to do a streamline. We did even better. We put them into a conventional rate. They didn't have to pay for an appraisal. They removed their PMI, and every one of them, I would say the average saved probably, a couple people went back to a 30-year term. They were saving $300 to $400 a month. And we had several people that we reduced their terms and they still saved. I think one gentleman was $50 a month. We saved him and cut off 5 years on his term. So if you're looking for a mortgage right now, you already have a quote from somebody. They either sent you a settlement statement, a fee sheet, or what we call a loan estimate. Send me a copy. At least let me review it. It'll take me tops an hour. And I'll come back to you and say, God bless you. What you're getting quoted is fantastic. Take it. Or if you're probably like 90% of the people that I review, I come back to you and say, you know what? I can get you a low rate and we can cut your fees by $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So how to get to me is you can call me at 844-775-LOAN. I feel like this is a TV commercial. That's probably one of the best ways to get me. Or shoot me an email. And my name's pretty simple. My last name is Frio. A lot of people say, do you know it means cold in Spanish? Yes, I'm 50 years old, I know. The way to get me by email is just shoot me an email. D for Dan, Frio, Frio, at preferredrate.com. Or you can also reach me at thefrioteam.com on the web. That's one of the best ways to get us too. If you go there, just click up to the top, apply now, fill out the application, and within an hour, I'll reach out to you or one of my assistants. So God bless. If you have any questions, please put them down below. Leave some comments. I'd love to do anything you guys want me to break down and show, break down a mortgage program for you, how rates work. Tomorrow we're going to go through what's called a loan estimate to show you how to compare fees by different lenders so you don't get taken advantage of. So I'd love to reach out. I'd love for you to reach out to me, and I'll get back with you personally. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And God bless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care. Be safe.